Hi there. Thank you for tuning in to Victory 101. I'm Jake. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can check antifreeze in your vehicle. All you will need for this project is antifreeze.
There are two kinds of antifreeze: greenish blue for older vehicles and orangish red in newer vehicles. My truck is a 1996 Dodge and takes the greenish blue.
So before we can begin adding antifreeze, we obviously have to buy some. And luckily, Victory Auto Wreckers sells some at their location. You can actually purchase antifreeze from Victory Auto Wreckers for only $5 plus tax. Step 1, you'll want to turn the ignition to off. Step 2, simply find the hood release lever and release the hood. Once the hood is released, you will now be able to open the hood, and on most cars you will find a little latch on the inside. For this truck, the latch is right in the front of the grill, and you simply just push up on the latch and you will be able to push that up and then pull the hood upwards. Once you've opened the hood, your next task will be locating the antifreeze reservoir.
It is recommended that you do not add antifreeze directly to the radiator. The radiator is pressurized, and if the vehicle had been running recently, the system may still be pressurized and will spray boiling antifreeze if the radiator is open before having a chance to cool down. Instead, look for the antifreeze overflow container. Open the cap. Don't worry, this part is not pressurized. Add antifreeze up to the line on the side. Note, there may be two lines, one that reads hot and one that reads cold. This means if the vehicle was recently used and the engine is still warm, you fill the antifreeze to the hot line. If the vehicle's engine hasn't been used for several hours, you will fill the antifreeze to the line that reads cold. It is preferred that you use a funnel so as not to spill any on the ground, as it can be harmful if swallowed. That said, if you're stranded on the side of the road like I was, you make do with what you've got.
And there you have it. You have now mastered the art of checking your antifreeze. Be sure to hit the thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and as a matter of fact, comment below and let us know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to Victory Auto Wreckers and tap that notification bell so you can stay in tune with all of the new content we will be posting. If you are in the Chicagoland area, do not hesitate to come on down to our one and only location in Bensonville, located right near Chicago O'Hare Airport. Also, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms as we post new content regularly to make sure you guys stay in touch with all of the new stuff Victory Auto Wreckers is doing. Thank you so much for tuning in to Victory 101, and we will see you guys on the next episode.